This is Abhishek Sharma. My internship is Spark Foundation. In my last task, COVID 19, Task 8. Task 8 create a storyboard showing a spread of COVID 19 cases in your country or any region. First of all the important library required in dataset Pandas, Plotly, ExpressPX, Plotly Graph Object Go, Plotly Subplot Make Subplot, and loading your dataset and check the null value of your dataset. And first 5 rows of your dataset dot head and up 5 rows into 59 columns, and ISO code, column names, continent, location, date, total case, new case, smooth, total death, new death, etc. And describe your COVID dataset and EDA format. And now onward we will focus on Asia country. Check the correlation of your Asian countries. And now the made a graph figure of new cases. Israel has the largest new cases in 7 July 2020 to 1 Feb 2021. And index of your dataset. And total death cases of your country. Israel largest number of cases, data increasing. Now column of a figure of total cases, about picture type, total cases, and total death cases. India has increasing total death cases. New death cases. Total cases per million. Total beds per thousand. Now new death per million column. Total test, how many tests are completed. India is the largest test center. Total tested per thousand. New test per thousand. Positive rate of your graph. Now total test per thousand, human development index, positive new cases. Now observation is as on to 2020 10 14 USA top in total confirmed cases in COVID-19. In Asia country, India is among the countries having a highest number of total confirmed cases is 14 10 2020. New confirmed cases in COVID-19, India tend to increase more is compared to other countries. And stringency index of most of the countries started to decrease from previous index. In total death case, India showing an increased trend. Bahrain and Qatar have a most number of total confirmed cases of India COVID-19 per million people, where the India shows the less number of total death cases. Total test of COVID-19 in India is more as compared to other Asian country. But when it comes to cases of total test per thousand, it is among the lowest tested countries. Japan is the highest in the category hospital bed per thousand. Positive rate for India 0.62% and hand washing facility and total cases per million show a different correlation. Population in a new death show the strong correlation. Population and new cases show a strong correlation. Thank you. My end of the task 8.